Hey guys, it's Carl here. I'm back for another short video. Today I'm just going to show you some new tools that I got. I haven't really had time to talk about them yet, but now I do. So to start off, we got this magnetic flashlight, and supposedly it has a flexible neck, and then obviously it extends. I can see this will being useful for trying to get nuts and bolts, you know, that you drop in engine bays and stuff, but costs 25 bucks. You know, I don't know how much I'll use this because I have these two flashlights here. These are Harbor Freight Braun brand, and the reason I have two of them is because the battery, they don't last very long, so I can be using one for a couple hours, and then I'll have one on the charger right away, and then once that dies, I can swap over and, you know, go from there. The second thing I got is this oscillating tool. So this will definitely help out for like jobs around, you know, just around the house, or maybe if I gotta cut something or trim something, you know, like interior on a car, or, you know, this will work great. And it's the XR. I'm a big DeWalt guy. You kind of pick sides. You're either Milwaukee, DeWalt, or, you know, some people are Ryobi, or I don't know, you know, some people are actually Harbor Freight brand, Hercules brand. So, you know, I like DeWalt. That's what I'm always going to stick with. You know, I know Milwaukee's good too, but I'm not going to switch. So I've always been DeWalt, and I'm going to keep it that way. And then the third thing I got here today is actually a socket kit. Yeah, it's standard and metric hex sockets. It goes from number 2 on the metric all the way up to 19. A standard goes from 5/64 all the way to 3/4. You know, this kit will definitely come in handy because the only sockets I have that are like, I only have like Torx bit and you know, star bit, or they call them triple squares. That's all I have. But yeah, this kit was cheap on Amazon. It was like 30 bucks. Now, I don't know if it's going to be like Harbor Freight quality, and, you know, I don't know how easy these are going to snap. So, you know, we'll find out, but we'll find out the durability. But for 30 bucks, it's worth a shot, I think, and see if they're worth a damn. So, well, this is going to wrap up this video today. If you guys haven't already, please like and subscribe. And if you haven't also, please follow me on TikTok. And it's my TikTok username is going to be Real Karl Camaro. Just search that, and you should be able to find me. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one.